How to fix low call volume on iPhone? Let's start with Adjust with Volume. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now look for the vertical volume slider. Next, swipe up to increase the volume. If this method doesn't work, then try. Check Call Audio Routing. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, under the Physical and Motor section, click on the Touch option. Next, scroll down and look for the Call Audio Routing option and tap on it. Here you will see a few options. Make sure the Automatic option is selected. If this step doesn't work, then try next. Changes in Accessibility. Go to the Settings app. Scroll and click on Accessibility. Now scroll to the Hearing section, then tap on the Hearing Devices option. Next, look for the Hearing Aid Compatibility. Then turn on the toggle next to it. Now go back to the Hearing section and click on the Audio Visual option. Here, scroll to find the Add Voice Isolation option and turn off the toggle next to it. If this method doesn't resolve, then try. Force Restart. On your home screen, press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side button and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, make a call to check whether the volume level has increased or not. If it is not working, then it may be hardware issue. Contact Apple Store to fix the issue, and that's it.